EmotionalBeatsGuy.
You can lock the doors, but you can't lock the mind. The body may be resting, but the heart is still walking, searching, praying, fighting. I'm sleeping inside the house, but my heart is outside, looking for tomorrow, trying to survive. Some are chasing money, some are chasing love. Different battles every day, only God knows about. Ngilele endlini, inhliziyo isengwa qheli. Icabangi kusasa, ngisafuna indlela. Izikweletu zangibiza, amaphupha wangilala. Yahleka phambi kwabantu, ngikhala ngingedwa. I'm sleeping inside the house, but my heart is outside, looking for tomorrow, trying to survive. Some are chasing money, some are chasing love. Different battles every day, only God knows about. Ngilele nomuntu, kodwa uthando lukude. Sikhuluma nsuku zonke, kodwa izinhliziyo zithule. Abanye bafuna umsebenzi, abanye bafuna ukuthula. Wonke umuntu uthwele umthwalo ongabongwa ngabanye. The roof gives me shelter, but not every answer. My eyes may close tonight, yet my heart keeps wandering. Tomorrow is calling, hope keeps whispering. One more prayer, one more chance. I'm sleeping inside the house, but my heart is outside, looking for tomorrow, trying to survive. Some are chasing money, some are chasing love. Different battles every day, only God knows about. Sleeping inside the house, but my heart is outside. The body sleeps, the heart keeps dreaming. The house is full, yeah. The soul is searching. Everyone carries a silent pain.